Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to day 6 of the Python Essentials batch. This as well will be our last day as well. We thank you for choosing Let's Upgrade as your learning platform, and we also appreciate your efforts and your time in taking to upskill yourself in this domain. Apart from that, a few more pointers. As I've been mentioning before, this class will be available over YouTube and also over the LMS. At the same time, you're supposed to be registered over our community to apply for the examination and to qualify for the certification as well. Apart from that, there are other pointers as well. Fill your attendance forms every single day, even if you do not attend the class, and have some prior commitments which make you not to attend the class, so that you can look into the classes later. But do fill in the attendance forms. With all these in mind, let's just get started. Okay, sir, over to you.
हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग, नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, कैसे हैं आप लोग? So let's start today's session. I'm sharing my screen first. First task. Okay, now it's shared. Okay. Okay, guys. Today we will learn something significant, very significant. So Python with IoT devices. Okay. We will learn how to interact with the IoT devices. So today we are going to see how to get the room temperature and humidity of uh, your area means your room. Okay, your room where you put the device. So we will get what is the temperature and what is the humidity. For that, we are going to use one device, that is the node MCU. I think let me think. Okay, I think this is a device. I think you can see on the camera. So this is a device. Okay, so this is node MCU device. I will uh, show you in the what in this one uh, presentation. Okay, so this is the node MCU structure, or you can say it's circuit design. So it contains some pins. Okay, some pins, you can see here a lot of pins. So mainly whenever you see a device, that this device
Sir,
take the data. Mhm.
sir, they're
Yes.
asking to explain the IoT device first. What is basically an IoT device actually?
Okay. Okay, guys, IoT device means Internet of Things. Okay, so with the help of IoT device, so this you can see. Okay, just 1 second. Ink to go. Okay. So guys, this is the device. This is the IoT device. So this is the DTH11. This sensor for temperature and humidity. Okay, so this, you can see there's 3 pins. One is positive, one is negative, and one is data pin. Positive is because every device need voltage or current, you can say. So positive, negative, and the data. Okay, so one for uh, charge, one for discharge, and one for data. So we will see how we can connect this with this device. So this is node MCU device. This node MCU device, it take the data from this device DTS sensor, and due to its Wi-Fi facility, okay, and small web services, this device provide the little bit web services and Wi-Fi, and we can get the data of this DTS sensor by using this device. So we will connect. So you can say this is node MCU. This one is connected. This is a one wire. So this is ground wire. Okay, this is the, you can say, positive wire, negative wire connected to this one like this, and one is connected to this one like this, and the data cable is connected to this. Okay, so this is the design of IoT device. You can also set motion sensor. Go to Amazon and check the motion sensor devices. You will get something like chip device which contain 3 pins. So we have to put that device like this: positive, negative, and data pin. Okay, let me show this screen again. Design again, sorry. Okay, design. Yes, so come this design. So you can see here, this is the 3 voltage device, 3 voltage. This is ground. Ground means negative and voltage means positive. So here you can say negative voice and this is positive. Okay, and one more if you yes, this one again positive and negative. So we can connect maximum 3 devices. 3 volt for here, one here, one here, one here, and one here, one here, and one here. 3 devices we can connect. Okay, and these are the data pin D1, D2. We can choose any data pin to send the data. Okay, consider I have the device for motion. This is motion sensor device. Okay, 3 pins. So one, this is positive, this is negative, and this is the data. So what I can do here, I can connect this to positive to 3 voltage, this one, negative, this is negative wire connected to ground, done. Now data wire. So I am choosing the green color for this one. So I can connect this one to any data pin. So data pin is this one, D5. Okay, so D5 with the help with the D5 and its number is 14. I can connect. I can take the data from the D5 pin. Okay, and you can see this is Wi-Fi. It has a Wi-Fi, and this node MCU will connect to by using the Wi-Fi. Okay, consider you in your home you have a home router, and here your PC. Here PC. Here your PC also connected to this Wi-Fi device, and you can take the data from this node MCU. This is the node MCU. This is node MCU device. This one is node MCU device. Okay, go to Amazon.com or Amazon.in and check the motion sensor DTH11. You will get the load of sensors. Okay, okay, you have a sensor, but how can you get the data? So you need a medium. So this node MCU is a medium. Node MCU. This node MCU can sometimes people use Arduino. Arduino is costly. Okay, I think 600 rupees or 1200 rupees you will get the Arduino. Okay, but this node MCU is just a 300 rupees or 250 rupees you can get, right? So you can make your own IoT device. Consider you want to build a smart home. Okay, smart home. So means in the smart home you want to get the temperature of every device and motion sensors. Okay, somebody open the room or close the room. So you want to if you want to get this one, you can connect 3 device to this node MCU. So you can get three data kind of data from this node MCU device. Okay, I think this is the cost. This is 120 rupees, and this is the 250. So within setup of 400, you will get the complete one IoT device. I hope you're getting this sense. Okay, so you can see this is a small project. Okay, take order now. Okay, and connect like this. Just give me 1 second. Connect like this. So this node MC device. This is a power cable to this node MCU and 3 pin I have connected, and this one is a D5 pin. This is D5 pin. D5. I have connected my node MCU device to D5. So I will get the data from the D5. Okay. So okay, let me show you the uh, result. Then I will tell you how we can make that. So this is my this is the my what this is the uh, Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu machine. So this I have connected that node MCU to my Ubuntu machine, and you can see I'm getting the data. This is temperature, and this is a humidity. Right now, temperature of my room. So this is actually living in North India. That's why I can say it's 17 degree. Okay, so I'm getting this is my current temperature of my room. Okay, I will show you how we can do that. Okay, I'm just giving you idea, and even you can get the data by using the Python code. Okay. So, Afreen, any question from their side? Please tell me if any question.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
So, totally there are four data pins as you were saying. So, why only connect three devices?
Okay, every device needs the power, small power, and 1 second. Okay, yeah, present. Sorry. Okay, Give me one, please. Who was asking the question? Give me the idea. Have you seen the uh, uh, code extension where you in which you can plug the multiple computer? This one, and this is the extension cable. If this has a three plug, now you can connect only maximum three. You cannot connect four because only the provision of three, right? This is extension cable, extension. Okay, and here we have only three. So this is one setup, positive minus, and one more I need. This is the ground and one more voltage. Yeah, this is positive minus. I have this one. Okay, so I can connect maximum. I think when we have the 5 volt. Do we have 5 volt here? Can you see? No. So we can connect only maximum three device. So 3 volt here, 3 volt here, and 3 volt here. So maximum three device we can connect now. Okay, right? So if we purchase any device, that device comes with minimum three pins. One for positive, one negative, and one data. So positive you can connect to 3 volt. Negative you can connect to ground. This one, and data you can connect to anyone here like D6. Okay, so in this way you can connect. Any other question?
No, sir, not as of now. They have started asking about Wi-Fi module, but you haven't gone into that yet, so maybe we'll have to hold up for that.
Okay, so yeah, it contains the Wi-Fi module. Okay, so now I'm showing you how we can do the okay. So this is Node MCU MCU. Okay, font is I can, yes, I think this is visible. Okay, so this is a coding of Node MCU. I have already done lot of things, so I'm not going to repeat this one. So I'm telling you what thing you have to change for your pieces. We will share this code to you. Okay, now what to do? First, find the Wi-Fi. So this is my Wi-Fi. You can see here I'm connected to Python, but I have the resident U. Okay, residue. This is actually name of SSID, name of Wi-Fi. So I have put that Wi-Fi here. Okay, and this is a password. Okay, this is a password, and actually this Wi-Fi doesn't contain this resident U doesn't contain the doesn't have the facility of internet. This is just a Wi-Fi. Okay, I can show you that Wi-Fi. If we can see, this is the device. This is just a Wi-Fi device. Okay, this is Wi-Fi device. I am so I am putting this here. Okay, so that is the residue. Okay, this is the residue. Okay, and I'm connected to this Python. Actually, this Python, this one. Okay, and it has a Wi-Fi facility. So if I change this one, I will be disconnected. Okay, so that's why I cannot connect with the resident U. But what to do? First, check the IP address of that Wi-Fi. So consider I have this one Ubuntu machine, and this Ubuntu machine connected to residue. You can see here residue. Okay, it's a little bit very smaller actually. Residue connected to residue. How I connected residue? This is actually VMware machine. And if you ask the question, how can we connect VMware machine to that Wi-Fi? So you need external Wi-Fi. I have connected with an external Wi-Fi here. Okay, go to here and connect your external Wi-Fi. Why I have done this setup VMware? Because I can know, because this is live. I'm live teaching right now, and this residue doesn't have the facility of internet. It's just a Wi-Fi. Okay, if I connect to this one, I will be disconnected from the internet. So that's why I have taken another PC. This is another PC. Okay, connected to this resident U, and this PC can. Okay, so this is disconnected actually. Just connected. Yeah, connected again. Okay, so let me show you the you have to do if you are using live Wi-Fi. So you can see this one. Okay, I think so. This is the external Wi-Fi card. I am using this Wi-Fi card to connect my Ubuntu machine, the VMware machine, to this Node MCU device. Okay, so this is Wi-Fi card. This is a little bit costly actually. You can purchase anyone which can used with the Ubuntu machine. Okay, Linux machine. Okay, this is a Panda device, wireless Panda. Okay, so I'm connecting it again to just 1 second. Done. Okay. Okay, so you can see here connect to virtual machine. Okay, connect to host or virtual machine. Connect to virtual machine. Which virtual machine? Mohit. Okay, so now you can see here. Give time. Yes, yes, yes. It's connecting Wi-Fi devices. Yes, so connected with the resident to you. Okay, so what to do? Get the IP address. Get the Wi-Fi if config. Now this is my Wi-Fi device. This one. Okay, and this Wi-Fi resident TU residue is giving me this IP. Okay, and this is the broadcast address. This is the mask. Okay, and one more gateway or route. I think route is will work here. Okay, so this is the my gateway. Okay, this is my gateway. That is the IP. If you know a little bit networking, if you have ever learned the networking, what is subnet mask, take any IP from this range to this range. Okay, means from 10 10 10 0 to 10 10 10 254. Take any IP of your choice. Okay,
So
taken.
excuse me.
Sorry,
So
any
they're
question?
requesting, yeah, so they're requesting you to zoom in a little. The characters are not very clear, it seems.
This one.
Yeah, so
Okay,
the
let.
little more zooming in maybe.
I think this is okay.
Yeah, yeah, so this looks better. Thank you.
Okay, okay, guys. I'm just repeating again. I think this is a little bit more, complex thing. So what to do? See there, see here in this coding. I need IP address, static IP address. I need this gateway. I need this subnet mask. I need DNS. DNS you can make constant. Okay, so you need three things. But how to know? This is for my setup. But if you do your own setup, so what to do? How you can set one IP address? Okay, how can you set the one gateway? How can you set this one? Okay, so what to do? Connect with that Wi-Fi device first. Connected. I have connected that. Okay, and get the current IP address. So this is the current IP address of my machine, this Ubuntu machine. This is the IP address. Okay, change the color. 10.10.10.2, and its range is 10.10.255. So this is the address and this is broadcast address. So between these, choose any IP. Choose any IP, but make sure that IP should be available. Means if another computer using that IP, so please don't use. So you don't use this IP. Okay, means after three, take any IP. Consider there is no other computer who is using this Wi-Fi device. So you can choose any device. Like consider I'm using 10, 10, 10, and 10. This one IP. This is what is my gateway. This is my gateway. Okay, I got one IP from this range. I got a gateway, and this is my subnet mask. So three things I have. Okay, three things I have. So I will put those three things here. 10 10 10. I can also set 11 here, and 10 10 10. This is the gateway address and the subnet mask. Done. Then SSID of SSID of Wi-Fi In simple word, we can say what is SSID? Service set identifier means name of Wi-Fi. Very simple. Name of Wi-Fi. Okay, name of Wi-Fi and the password. This is a password. Okay, this is a password. Then pin number. I'm using data pin number 40, data pin number 5. If you check the slide again, data pin number 5. Where is data pin number 5? Go to this chart and check data pin number 5. This one is at the 14th pin. So actually this is data 5 na, but pin number 14, if we check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we will get this 14th pin. Okay, so 14th pin, D5 means 14th pins. Okay, I have connected my device to D5, so 14th I will get data, I will get the data from the 14th pin. Okay, so wherever you connect, please check the pin number and write here. Okay, so done. After that, so I am recording. Okay, this is a serial begun. Okay, this is monitor stuff. You can make it constant, not worry. And this is some lines to set the ch- ch- for just for uh, per, just for confirmation. Okay, just for confirmation means we are connecting to, we got this SSID, whatever, config IP, this one, this is same thing, and data. Now it's time for the data. So here, where? Yes. So this is okay. Okay thing, no nothing. So temperature. So I have written this data like a JSON document. It is not a JSON document, but I tried completely to make the JSON document. Okay, you can also put temperature is this one, this one, this one. This is the temperature, and this is the string. Okay, so you can see here output. What I'm getting temperature, and this is output. Humidity, and this is the output. Okay, so here you can see this is temperature, this is the output, this is the humidity string, and this is the humidity. Okay, nothing to do, just copy paste this code and change the attributes of your, you have to change this one, okay, no need to change this one also, this one and this one for your Wi-Fi name and password, and this IP address, gateway address, and subnet mask. Done. And pin number, if you are using same pin number D5, then no need to use, no need to change. Okay, any question Afrin from the student side?
Just one, sir. Why do we need IP address gateway?
Yes, actually if you want to access this device outside the network, then you have to use the gateway. Okay,
Okay.
consider my machine, my this Ubuntu machine and my device both are in the same networks, in the same created by this one. Okay, consider I set up, okay, I'm making a diagram so that, so this is my device, Wi-Fi device. Okay, so just a pictorial diagram, and this is node MCU device, it is connected to this one, and here my computer also connected to this one. So then there is no need of gateway. But consider you are making a big project, and here is a router. Okay, here is a router, and this device is connected to this router, and here is one computer. Then you need the gateway. Then you have to use the gateway of this one. Okay, whatever. Then you have to use the gateway so that this computer can access from the outside this outside of this network. Then you need a gateway. Otherwise, if you want to connect within same network, this same network, and this is another network. I hope you know a little bit about the what is the meaning of subnetwork and network, and what is the meaning of gateway. Okay, and what is the meaning of router. So this is router actually. Okay, any doubt? Anyone?
Sir, they are asking if you can explain the pin numbers.
Pin numbers. Okay. Okay. First of all, let's see this one. So if you can see clearly, you can see this is D5. This is written D5, and this is connected to T5. Okay, D5, and this is the positive, and this is negative. Okay, this is ground. You can see ground, and this is the 3 volt. Okay, so now come to the this one. So my device is connected to, this is my device, 3 pin device, positive, negative, and D pin. So positive is connected to this pin, negative is connected to this pin, and this data D1 is connected to, okay, check the your device which is negative, which is positive, which is data. This maybe this is the positive, this is negative. It is written, everything is written on the device which is positive, which is negative, and which is data. Okay, so connect like this. Done. So you will get the data on the 14th pin. This is 14th pin. Done. So you will get the you can send data here, here, here. If consider if I fix this one to here, D6, then I will use the 12th pin. Okay, 12th pin. Okay. Any question?
Yes, sir. So the next question is it the same for Raspberry Pi, the ones which you're explaining?
Uh, I cannot say because Raspberry Pi, I have the Raspberry Pi, but not in my vicinity. That's there. Okay,
Okay,
but
sir.
Raspberry Pi is a computer, not the small device. That is a computer, small computer. Okay, that's a small computer actually. Raspberry Pi, yeah, Raspberry Pi also contain the pin, but that had different structure. So you just download the pin structure of Raspberry Pi. Okay, this is a small
Okay.
device of 250 rupees. Okay, if I can do my work with just 50 rupees, what is the need of
Mm-hmm.
Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is a
Yeah.
big thing. Okay,
Same with the next question, sir. They've asked if you can explain the connections related to Arduino, but I think this
Arduino is
node,
not one.
yeah, the node MCU which you're explaining right now is well more than sufficient for the
Yes,
code.
yes, sufficient. It has a Wi-Fi
Sir,
module and it can connect with our IoT devices. Okay. Yes,
sir, another
anyone?
question. Can the D pin be connected to any pin from D5 to D8?
Yes, yes. And then you have to change the same at the coding in the coding. Change
Okay.
here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, so that will be all the questions I have.
Okay. Okay, guys. After this one, after writing this one, what to do? Check the COM port here. Okay. So I have only the COM port 3, and you also have this one same COM port done. After that, after doing all the stuff, and yes, upload speed here I have written 1150, and this should be 1150 because we have set in our code this one serial begin from this one. Okay, same for this one and same for this one. Done. And after that upload. I'm not doing any button because after uploading you will see this 100%. Okay, 100%. Once you get the 100%, what to do? So I'm just okay, what to do after 100%? What to do? Go to here and serial monitor. So serial monitor done, and take your node MCU device, this one, and there is a small button, very small button, that is a reset button. Reset. Okay, where is that button? Let me show in the PPT. This is the reset button. This is the reset button. Okay, reset button. Done. So once you press the reset button, once you press the reset button, now go to your monitor and press the reset button. So I'm doing reset it. So you can see connecting to residue, you will get the message. Okay, Wi-Fi connected. From where I'm getting these messages? Because we have written here connecting to where yeah, Wi-Fi connected. If this happens, status happens, something, then show Wi-Fi connecting. Okay, connecting to, you can see connecting to SSID means residue, and if we get Wi-Fi connecting, it will show the Wi-Fi IP address. Okay, we have written here IP address. Otherwise, it will show the failed C read something this one. Okay, so you can see we have it connected successfully, and this is IP. Okay, done. This part is completed. Now hit this IP. I cannot hit this IP from this computer. Why? Because my computer is not connected to residue. Okay, my computer is connected to Python. So that's why I'm using VMware machine. This is another computer. Just see, this is another computer, but this is a live, so I cannot use another computer. But my VMware machine acting as another computer because it has a Wi-Fi facility, and just connecting. Oh, disconnected. Just connected with the residue. Connected, and use this IP. Hit it and run. And yes, so this is temperature. You have seen small change. Okay, if I rub my hand and put the sensor, you will see different temperature and humidity. Okay, so now it's time to use Python. How to get this data by using the Python? Okay, we haven't used Python yet. Okay, now it's time for the Python. So here I'm using the terminal. So do we have any terminal facility? Yes. Okay, so okay, a little bit zoom. So I'm zooming it.
Yes, sir.
Zoom, zoom in, zoom in again, zoom in again. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, so write Python. Okay, Python 3.8. Any Python you can use. Python 3.5. If you have any Python, you can use. Import request module. Why I'm using request module? Request module because we need to interact with the website. Which website? This is a website. Now this is HTTP website. Copy this one, and data equal to request.get, and here write the this one. Okay, so it should be the requests, not request. Okay, so we have data. This is data dot txt. Sorry, text. So this is data. Okay, it is in the string form, rn form. I'm getting in this form. Okay, so put in the any d1. Consider d1. Okay, so this is data, d1 data. So this is string actually. This is complete string, and we have to extract our data. So we can see there are a lot of rn. So let's remove that rn. d1 dot replace rn with nothing, no string, and I'm getting the little bit good design here. Okay, so you can see here this is like a dictionary, but it is in the string form. Okay, you can see if I print it. Okay, take data in this d2. So now we have d2. So if I print it d2, you can see this is a dictionary. Without any doubt, you can see this is dictionary. But if we check the type of this one, d2, this is string type actually. This is not a dictionary. Okay, this is string type. It looks like a dictionary, but it is not a dictionary. That's why yesterday, I don't know which day, but I told you that please check the type. Always check the type after getting the data, because what a person can think this is a dictionary, and he and she can apply the dictionary operation, and this is actually a string. Can we apply the dictionary operation on the string? No. Okay, so we have to convert this string to dictionary. And how we can convert? Do you have any idea? If you have any idea, please write in the chat box. Okay, so we can do that stuff by using eval function d2. So d3 is a typ type of, now we have a dictionary. So we have a dictionary d2, we can get apply tmp temp. Oh, sorry, it should be the temp. So it should be d3, not d2. So this is temperature and this is the humidity. So right here, humidity. Done. I think you are getting this sense. One by one we have done. So in this way you can get the data. So let's write all the things in just in one code. Okay. So you can take the help of any editor. Okay. Now I'm taking the very simple editor. That is the gedit. Okay. 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 So font. Where is the font? Full screen. Yeah. Preferences. Font. Font and color. Regular font. Increase the font. I think this is okay. I think Afrin, this is okay. Save this file here. Here, okay. Uh,
Sir, I
are
think
you
zooming in a little more would be better.
okay? Okay, not an issue. You can use any editor. Okay, I'm using which is available right now. But if you are using Windows, you can use any editor. Okay, and more. I think this is okay. Import request. So data in the request module, request.get http / 10.10.10.10.10. Okay, done. And you will get, and here data equal to data.txt, print the data. So let's run this code up to here. Okay, control D. Okay, open new terminal. Oh, very small font here again. Zoom in, control plus plus, control plus plus. Sorry, control shift plus plus. Okay, so ls ltr. I'm just checking my where is my code. Okay, this is my IoT, my code, Python 3 IoT. Okay, so I'm getting this one. Okay, data temperature, and you can see here this is the I'm getting uh, rn means new line. You can see I'm getting the new line. Okay, so let's remove that rn kind of thing. Okay, data dot replace rn with nothing. Okay, now let's run this one. Okay, so I'm getting data in the very beautiful format, but this is the string, not the dictionary. So what to do? Okay, sorry, what to do? take the data in the data, and here put the eval over it. Okay, print data. Eval is a function. Actually, eval is a function to evaluate the expression, and expression should be in the string form. It just remove the quotes and evaluate the expression. Okay. If you have any doubt any in the eval, please tell me. I will tell you what is the meaning of eval. Okay. Okay. Any Afrin, any doubt about the eval?
Yes,
If they have,
sir, same thing. Can we change any string to dictionary using eval function?
I will explain. Okay. I will explain what is the meaning of eval. Okay. So now I'm getting the data. So we can take this data, uh, print data dot get temp and data dot get what is the key for humidity, that is this one. Copy and paste here and write here. So you can save this data to any database. Okay, so and with timestamp. Okay, with timestamp. At this timestamp we are getting this temperature, at this timestamp we are getting this temperature. Okay, so I can say temperature, I think spelling is okay, in Celsius, and humidity is percentage. Humidity is the percentage. Okay. Okay, I hope this will work. Okay, now I'm getting the beautiful data. Okay, so just to remove the line, this is not needed actually. Quote. So we can schedule this one after in while loop. Okay, give me that after every a few minutes. Okay, if I put my finger on this one, will it change? Let's check. So, okay, it's not giving the device. Okay, name, actually it is not giving the data actually. I have put my finger, some problem there. Okay. Oh, I've changed the connection. Okay. So I think you get this sense of the data. Okay. So we can get the data by using the IoT device using the Python. Okay. Any doubt in this one? Except eval, I will explain eval. Okay. Now I'm getting, okay, as you can see putting my finger, what's happened. Okay. It's 19.6. It is giving me temperature, and humidity is also increased. Okay. So this is live thing. Okay, I'm not using any API. This is the live thing. You can see my you can this is the temperature of my room. Okay. Okay, any question after any question apart from eval?
Yes, sir. So how
Mhm.
to check whether the IP address used in the code is existing or not?
Okay guys, this is very simple actually. If you are doing this experiment in your home, okay, in your home, so check the IP address of everyone. Consider in your home, just your brother, sister, your father. Three computers are there. Check their IP address. If they are using those IP address, just remove those IP address from your list and take any IP address. So you have a pool of 254 computers. You can choose anyone. Okay, you can choose anyone. What happened actually? If you, I'm giving you one simple convention, simple way without checking their IP address. You can also get the uh, sense means how to use. Okay, if I use if config here, oh my god, this font is okay. I'm lower than down my control shift minus control shift minus, not it's not working. So I'm using another terminal, control shift plus if config. So I'm getting this IP. Okay, consider in your home 4 or 10 person is using your Wi-Fi. So what happened? Next IP will be 10 10 10 3. Next IP 10 10 10 4 10 10 10 5 10 10 10 6 10 10 and 7. Okay, in this range. So you can choose any IP like 10 10 10 100 beyond that range. Means within that range, but beyond that 10 IP range. Okay, we consider in your home IP. Home IP. If you see, this is the first IP actually. Okay, and this is the broadcast address. So one address minus then, so range is from this to this 254. Okay, we can maximum range it can give from here to here. Okay, so if 10 computers are there, so maximum probability is 10 they will get the 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So without any doubt you can choose any IP beyond that range, so like 100. So this is available IP. Okay, so leave first 20 30 IPs from your computer. Okay, choose 100 200, but don't go beyond this range. Okay, any other doubt? I hope you are getting the
Let me
sense.
check, sir.
Okay, so now eval. So I'm explaining the eval function.
Okay.
So guys, what is the meaning of eval? So this is a very beautiful function. Beautiful function. So I'm using my Python. Whatever you have actually expression. Consider I have expression 10 plus 12 plus 78. What is that? That is string, which contains some numbers and operators. But you want to calculate it. What is this expression? Okay, means you even consider if I remove the quotes, just copy and paste here. I remove the quotes, means I just copy the stuff without quotes, and when I put here, I am getting the result. Okay, this is a manual task, but I can do same stuff by using this eval function. Eval is doing same thing, just remove the quote. Simple. Okay, consider I have the list 1 2 3, but in the string form. Okay, this is a list, looks like a list, but this is string form. You can see quotes there. Okay, but if you print it, you will not see the quote. But actually, if you check the type, that is a class string. So now question is how to convert this string to list. Simple. Put the eval will remove the quotes. Okay, eval will remove the quotes and we will get the list in the list form. Okay, so this is a list in the quotes, means that's a string. In the string day, I told you that whatever inside the code, that is string. So in order to retrieve the list from this string, we have to remove these quotes, and we have eval function for that to remove the quotes. Similarly, if you have dictionary in the quotes, eval function will remove the quotes, and you will get the dictionary. I hope you're getting the sense. Any question apart from that?
Checking, sir. What is the work of the flash button?
Okay, flash button. Oh, just to make the flash. Okay, that's not necessary actually.
Uh,
Okay, there's a small flash on this one. If I press that one, I will see some flash, one flash on this one. Okay, so that's not needed.
sir, how eval is converting string type to dictionary?
It removes the quotes, na? It removes the quotes. So consider I have a dictionary.
Okay, sir. That'll
Okay,
be
but
all.
in the quotes. So, what is this? One file. Okay, okay. So okay, got it. I'm using uh quotes inside the quotes, na? So this is the should be the one, and this is. Okay, so it is a this is dictionary or string. If I print it, so now please tell me this is dictionary or string. I cannot say this is whether this is dictionary or it looks like a dictionary, so I can say this is dictionary. But we are doing mistake here. Please check the type before doing anything. Maybe the device is giving you yes, so this is string. Actually, what happened when I was a startup company, we were getting the data from a device, and we applied the string dictionary operation on them, and we that time uh, that time uh, we hadn't get the results. We hadn't oh, sorry we hadn't got the results from that dictionary. Then after 2 hours we check, okay, what is the type? Okay, type is string. That's a problem. So that's why I'm telling you, first check the type, then apply the operation. This one is looking like a dictionary, but this is not a dictionary, this is a string. Okay, if you apply, consider D1. Uh, if you apply this operation, na, 1, sorry. You think this is the diction, what I'm getting? I'm getting 1 here. But what I was thinking, this dictionary, it should return 1, this one, O-N-E. Okay, if I apply get operation, now I'm getting the error. String object has no attribute get. Now I can say, okay, this is string. So we need to convert this thing to dictionary. How? D1 equal to eval and D1. Now I can apply the get. Okay, just remove the quotes. It eval function, just remove the quotes. And whatever inside it, evaluate it. Okay. Any question apart from them? That
Yes, sir. So how can we get the broadcast address in IP config?
broadcast address, IP config. IP config means in Windows system, right? Because IP config works in the Windows, na? If I write IP.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so go here and check. So this is the broadcast address. Okay, so here you can see I'm not getting the broadcast address, so you have to use the full command ipconfig / all, or I can my own command if config. Okay, but I'm using IP if config. So here you can see the complete stuff I'm getting. So choose your device wisely. So I'm using the wireless. So choose the wireless. Otherwise, sometimes people see what they happen. They can take this one also. But this is the VMware device. See this one carefully. The Ethernet adapter VMware device. So, but I'm not using VMware right now. Okay. So I have to use the wireless because I'm connected with the wireless. So wireless, this is my IP. This is the DNS, and this is subnet mask, and this is the 142 broadcast address. Still not there. Okay, no, not an issue. So if I use root, let me check. Do we have anything in the root? So root print. Just 1 second. Let me. Do we have the broadcast address here? Okay, net mask. So no, I'm not getting the broadcast address. So don't worry. How to make the broadcast address is a question. Okay, so CLS ipconfig, write the ipconfig again, and get the IP. So this is my IP. Okay, no, this is the VMware address. Oh, where the wireless? Sorry, just 1 second. Where is the wireless? Yes, so this is the wireless. Yeah. So this is my IP, and this is subnet mask. This is IP, this is subnet mask. So if you have subnet mask and if you have IP, you can calculate the network address and broadcast address. How? This is the convert into byte form. Convert this thing to byte form, bit form, like this. Okay, byte form, and then convert this one. Apply the AND operation. little bit complex, you will get the network address. Okay, network address. So I'm telling you, I have done a lot of time. So what is the network address? Starting of your network. But this is actually outside this syllabus, outside this one, because we are focusing on Python. This is networking actually. Okay, this is 43 and 0. This is the network address. And from that range to this range means I have 255 computer I can connect. This is filled, left is 0. So I can connect maximum 255. So broadcast address is 192.168.43.5055. So this is my broadcast address. In this way you can calculate. Okay, so go to the networking, check your how to get the network address and broadcast address by using the subnet mask and IP. You will get the uh, mm, process. Okay, method. So any other question?
Yes, sir. So the question is eval safe to use? What if the string contains malicious code?
Yes, so that's the problem here. If a string contain that's code, that's a problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that's a problem. So that's why we restrict the eval. But if you think that's a okay string is this one, we are getting. Uh, Sometime people use this. I don't know actually completely. That's a literal eval, LST eval. But we prefer eval. Definitely, if that contain malicious code, that will create a problem.
Okay, sir. So
Okay.
this other question is, so eval removes the codes and compares it to the data types in Python and does the operation in that string. Is that how it is?
First remove the quote and evaluate it whatever inside the quote. Consider if I write here a, I'm getting a, the error a is not defined. If I define a equal to 100 to 21, now eval, I'm getting 21. Remove the quotes, it became variable, and what is the variable a value? That's 21. If that is not defined, I'm getting the error. So remove the quotes and evaluates it. Simple.
Okay, sir.
Okay, evaluates whatever it contain. If contains string, sorry, if it contain a list in the form of string, then make a list.
Okay.
I hope all the doubts done.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, I hope you guys you have learned something significant from this IoT device. I think now you can make your own IoT device, and by using Python you can run, you can get the, you can fetch the data one in the periodic manner. Okay. Okay, so this part is completed. Now let's see the next part. Okay, so now I'm going to show you about the Django. Django, what is Django? Django is actually web application development framework written in Python language. Web application development. We use Django for web application development. And Django, there are two most prevalent frameworks in the market for Python, which is written in Python, which are written in Python. That's first is Flask. Sorry, first is Django. Second is Flask. Okay, if you start any small website, so you will see Flask is very easy. But as you go with the project size, so I'm writing this one. Okay, so this is the project size of project means code line you can say, and this is the complexity. Okay, complexity. So it is more complexity. Okay, so size. Consider I am using Flask. So if I use Flask size and complexity grow. Okay, size and complexity. Okay. And this one is go. This is the Flask. Okay. Flask, and then Django. Django starting. S- Size, smaller size, higher complexity. Higher, 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 higher. So this is the Django. At some point, you think Flask Django is very easy, then Flask. But in the starting, you'll see Flask is easy. Okay, when you start a website now, you think Flask is very easy. Okay, okay. But as you grow with the size, at some point you miss that. Okay, I should use Django because now project size is very lengthy, so I cannot manage those things in the Flask. Become very complex. So for the small project, small website, small projects. Small projects means I think a thousand line of code, 2,000 line of code. Flask is okay, but after some time, if you want to make very big project, so start with Django. I hope you get the sense. This is a very good diagram to what is the meaning of should we use Flask or Django? Okay. So in the Django, if you want to install Django, use pip install Django. Okay, and this is Python m Django if you want to see the version, and Django admin to check the all the commands. And Django admin start project. So after creating a project, you will see this file. So let's see one project. Okay, and let's explore the one project of Django. So we have 25 minutes. So let's explore the Django a little bit. So I have run the Django actually. So I'm stopping it. So this is my Django directory, lsltr. This is actually I use Python. Sorry, I use Linux for development purpose. Linux is very good if you are going to uh, create any project. I prefer Linux. So if you are going to create project, I prefer you Linux. Use Linux, Linux, whatever. Okay, not Windows. Why? Because Windows create a problem when we use multi-threading and multiprocessing. This is my personal experience. Okay, so if you are good in Linux, please use Linux for development purpose. Okay, you can see I have a lot of Linux. Okay, just I'm giving you the idea where yes. So you can see I have a lot of Linux in my computer. I have the 1.5 terabyte of SSD space. That's why I can. And every machine is taking 25 GB space. This lamp, this Ubuntu. There are a lot of Ubuntu. You can see Ubuntu 20, Ubuntu 16, Ubuntu Kali Linux. There are a lot of VMware machines. Okay, so I prefer Linux over the Windows if you are developing something. Okay, so this is my project app. Okay, when we start the project, let's see the slide again. When we run this command, uh, Django admin start project and then give the project. Okay, little bit remove this stuff. This one, Django admin start project and project name. Okay, when you use this one, it will create a project. And what is the facility of Django? So this is the actually project code, project structure. So this is a project name. Okay, I cannot make this one. I cannot zoom it. I think.
Uh,
Let me see if I any zoom option. Zoom. Find preference font. I can, but I can see if I use a font, that
yeah,
will work here. Here, not here. Okay, so for this one, I can do nothing. So please tolerate this small font if you are using your mobile screen. Okay, so this is the big project actually. So I'm telling you what is the facility of Django. So in the Django, we use the apps. The one small project, sorry, not small project, one project contain the apps. One Each person can work on different app independently. And this project contain at app, blog app, and user app. Three apps. So three-person different independently can work on three apps. Okay, so this Django contain the app structure. So that's why in the starting it became difficult, because for small code we have to make the app project, then app, then different file. But as we grow with this size, uh, that became very manageable. Okay, for everything we can create an app. So this is user app, means user login system. So that will be handled by the user app. If I want to see the user code, I will not check this one. I will directly go to a user app and can see the user login and registration process code. But if you develop the same code in the Flask, it becomes very difficult which file contain which thing, because in the Flask only one file contain everything. But here different folder for different tasks, different app for different task. And this is a blog thing. If some error happen in the blog, I will check this folder files. Okay, this attendance management system. So I will check this attendance management system if any error happen in the attendance management system. Okay. So one person say control,
Yes, up scroll to Zoom. Can you please check that?
control. Uh, I don't have mouse facility inside it actually. That's why up scroll. It is up. You can see this one. Okay. No, actually, this font is very small. Small. Even I think I cannot. Okay, I don't think we can do this one. Uh, Actually, we are running out of. Otherwise, if we do
Yeah,
R&D,
sir.
we will not finish in the time. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
what I was telling that we make the apps in this one. Okay, so you can see different app for this one. Let's see how we can. Let's see the project. Then I will tell you. Okay, let's run this one. Python manage.py run server. Once we make our project and all things, run this one. That's running fine at this IP. Okay, let's see. 127 800. So this is the uh, home. Whatever you see it asking for. Okay, so it is log out first. So you can see this is login system. In the starting, there is a login system. If any error happen in this login system, what to do? Go to the project and check the user app. In the user app, because user app contain the login system. So these are the files related to login system. And each app contains some folders like admin file, apps file, and model file, and URL file, view file. So these are the file for the one app. And once you make one project, like my project attendance. Okay, I'm creating a small project here. Just give me 1 second. I'm stopping this one. Done. Come back. My project, let's up, and come back also. LSLTR. Okay. Create a folder mkdir. Name is mm, today is Jan 23 Jan. Okay, go to 23 Jan. Here, see the command. What is the command? Django admin start project and project name. Django admin start project and project name. So I'm giving project name is um, any good name. Today is 23, so Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti. Oh no. So I'm taking the name Let's Up. Okay. Let's Up actually directory is also there. Let's Up one. So let's see what we have. Let's see LTR. So we have a directory Let's Up. Okay. Go to the Let's Up. Check. So we have the Let's Up directory in the Let's Up. So Let's Up is a project, and also it contain the Let's Up directory. So let's see what is the Let's Up. So now we are getting some files. Okay, lsltr. So we are getting some files. So these are the project files, project file. So it contains the URL. It contains the settings.py, and these are the ASGI. So we are not focusing on it. So see this one, setting.py. Setting.py is a main file for the setting purpose. So like what font, what time zone we want, what is the configuration for database. Okay, let's see setting.py. So I'm opening this project in this one what Sublime version. So open folder, complete folder, let's up 23 Jan, let's up. Okay, so now you can see the tree structure here. These are the file URL. So okay, okay. So these are URL file. Okay, and this is setting file. Let's see what is the meaning of setting file. Setting file, in this setting file you can see the installed app. Once you create an app, register here. Okay, register here, and these are the time zones. So this is in US time. Okay, and this is time zone, and sorry, language is Indian US, and this is UTC time. I can make IST. Okay, if I want IST time, so I can make IST here. And this is a URL file. Okay, so let's run the server. Okay, how to run the server? Python manage.py run server. Once you write this one, you can see this IP. Okay, copy this one and paste here. This is a default page of Django. This is the default page of Django. Okay, we haven't created any website. We just created the project and run it. So this is a default website. This is a default page. Okay, so this is starting. So how to create an app? Consider stop this one. Consider our projects need three applications. So I hire the three developers, and I tell and I then I tell them, please work on these different apps. One project, different app. So I create one app, Python manage.py, start app, start app. App name is like a login system. So I'm making login. Once I run this one, you can check here in this your uh, Sublime version. You can see login folder is created. In the login folder, there's a files. Automatically, it creates some file for the help. So in the model file, you can define your databases. So predefined, it's predefined. Model file is dedicated for the databases. View file, this view file is dedicated. If I click view file, so this view file is dedicated for the logic part. Means if I get the request, what to do, like login request, like data submission request. If I get this request, what to do? Okay, and the URL file, URL main URL, this one, project URL. If somebody hit this URL, what to do? Okay, so if somebody hit the URL will passes to view. View will handle that request. Okay, so now this is the starting of, I think you get the idea what to. Now let's see the big project. Okay, again, So in the attendance app, this is the project attendance and user. Yeah. So see this one here, model. Oh, this is empty model. Okay, not this one. Sorry. Let's up Flask project attendance. Yes, this one. Sorry, wrong. Yes. So in the user app, check the model. Now this is the model for profile page. Okay, profile page. Okay, let's see. Check the another model. Blog. For the blog, consider I want to make a blog. So what are the databases? So I have two database. One, if I create a blog, na, so it should contain the facility of post. Post contain title, content, date, and author. And it also contain the facility of comment on that post. Post, author, content, created date, and approved. Somebody approve or rejected. Somebody means the owner of this post. So we have to put that logic. Who can do this one? Who can do this one? Who can? We will put all the logic in the view. Okay, view. Now let's see the. So this time, stop this one and come back. Let's run our project. Go to the project app. Sorry, cd project and cd my project at, and here come back and see. Let's see. Where is the, just one second, my project. Yes, so here manage.py and run server. So I'm running the different server. Okay, so which is already made by me. So done. So same IP. Now let's refresh it. Now I'm getting this stuff. Login system, registration form. So once I consider if I login by Astro, so login done. So you can see Thor pick here. Okay, hello Astro. And if I want to post it, so I can post like hello everyone, and here this is content. So you have to, for the any website, if you want to make any web application development which is related to database, you must have good idea of database, how to use database, what are the constraint of database, primary key, foreign key stuff, one-to-one relationship, many-to-many relationships. Okay, uh, unique constraints, how to produce a date. So you must have the idea and you must have the knowledge how to set the relationship between these two things. Okay, you are using consider you are using the Facebook. In the Facebook you have the facility to upload anything, and you can see here there's a some reply, sorry, not reply, there's some comment section is there, share and like. Okay, once you open the comment section, you can put any comment, and then the comment also contain the reply form in the Facebook. So please try to check how we can. So first post, then comment, then reply. If we create a table na, so one table for upload thing, one table which contain all kind of comment, and one table which contain all kind of reply. How this one post connected to this one comment, and how that comment, one comment connected to multiple replies. You must have idea how we can do this stuff. Imagine how we can, means imagine this stuff. Post, one table for post, one table for comment, one table for reply, and how this upload post is connected, because this one contain lot of comments not related to this post. This, consider one, this is profile one pick, this is profile two pick, and somebody is putting comment, very nice, very nice, very nice pick, very nice pick, and on the reply that person is giving me thank you, thank you, thank you. And second profile, this is second profile, and this uploading the pic, and also this contain the same comments, means this this table, comment table contain the comment and some reply, how this reply is related to this, not this. Imagine this one, this thing. Okay, so if you imagine this thing, then you can build a good website. Okay, because we in the a user don't care about this thing, but a developer cares. Okay, so if I create a content like hello everyone, submit. So you can see hello everyone, submit. No comment posted here. Okay, no comment. If somebody want to put comment, so this is created by hello everyone. Hello everyone is done by the Astro, and it has the facility of update and delete that post also. Log out. Consider the another user like game login the system. Okay, this is profile pic of game. Check the all the post. Okay, sorry, view post. So this is the post given by the Astro. Okay, read more. Click on the read more. Now it has a facility of comment. If I put the comment, so I want to put the comment. Okay. Uh, okay, not agree. Consider if I say not agree. So here I cannot see any post here because this Astro, if Astro think that's a okay thing, he has a facility of approve and disapprove. So think like how we can do that. Approve, disapprove, which thing can work. Okay. I hope you're getting the idea of this project. So we will make this complete project, this project in our uh, courses. Okay, in professional courses of Python. Okay. Yes, Afrin, any question from the
Uh,
student side?
yeah, there is just basically questions on Django, like it's a UI framework or where is it used? Is it backend? Is it for web application?
UI, which UI? So you can see approve and remove here. Okay, if I approve it, so Astro, I'm logging by Astro. So if I approve it, yes, now anybody can see this comment. Yes. So sorry, Afrin, what was the question?
So the question is basically what is Django? Where is it used? Is it used
Hmm.
for backend and front end? Is it used for developing web applications?
Hmm. Yes, it is used to developing the web application. Okay, so it's a you can say backend language. Yes, it's a backend language. Front end we can see that's a HTML thing, but the logic behind this one, what to present, how we can see the data by using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. But what to present? This comment, logic of update, logic of delete, and this comment, and this is a main post, and this comment by game. How we can put that? This is a logic done by the Django. Okay, logic done by the Django. So that means backend it takes the data from the database and present to you and put the logic how to handle the things. Okay, consider if I copy this stuff and log out, but I have the URL for that post. If I run this one, no, now I'm getting the error. So I'm not handling that thing. Okay, so because there is no logic behind, I have not put any logic to handle this kind of error, so I have to put, so that is done by the Django, that will be done by the Django. Okay, logic part. Okay, I hope you are getting the sense. Any other question?
No, sir, nothing as of now.
Okay, so you can check the some website are using the Django frameworks, the likes I think that's Bitbucket is also using the very famous in these days, Bitbucket. So Bitbucket also in the developed in the Django framework. Okay, Bitbucket is very similar to GitHub. Okay, some companies are using Bitbucket, some are using GitHub. Most companies are using GitHub, but at least I think 30% are using Bitbucket also. So okay, so Bit command is same, everything is same, but it is giving more facility to develop the uh, repositories. Okay, any other?
Sir, does Netflix also use Bitbucket?
Netflix, I don't know. You have to ask from the Netflix developer. They are using Bitbucket or not.
Okay, sir. So
This,
as of now, nothing. No question.
yeah, because okay. Okay, guys, I think you have learned something new today and significant IoT device. So first, we start with IoT device. You can make your own IoT device. It's just a small IoT device. You can see here. This is the DTS sensor connected to Node MCU. You can see this stuff here. Okay, and this is power cable connected. I'm putting this here, and this is my Wi-Fi devices. Okay, and it is connected from this Wi-Fi devices by using this. So this is a sensor and this is the module to connect the Wi-Fi. And from this Wi-Fi, I'm fetching the data. Okay. And after that, we learn little bit about the Django. So what is different with Flask and Django? Sometimes people say, should we use Flask or not? So as we increase with the size of project with 1,000, 2,000 line of code, 3,000 line of code, it become very difficult to manage all the things in the Flask. Okay, and in Django we have facility of creating apps, so we can give the app to every developer. You can work on the user app, you will work on the blog app, you will work on the attendance management system app, and finally we can club and display on the uh, website. Okay. Okay, any other question?
Yeah, no, sir. I don't see any questions. There are these general questions on exams, but that we will be discussing in some time. Is there any other question, guys, for the session? No, sir. I don't think they have any more questions because I can't see anything as of now. Okay, sir. We are good to conclude the session today.
Okay, guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's session and you have learned something significant today. Okay, so bye bye everyone, bye bye, and thank you
Uh,
for being with us with
okay,
complete
sir.
session.
Is there any question about exam? Okay, so about the exams, we will be letting you know everything over your individual emails, which you have provided while you have registered, and also you have to keep looking at the community to keep checking for the schedules. All of them will be posted all over your community, so be sure to keep checking in every single day until you find out when the exams are. And basically, we've also released a schedule over the community, so maybe you check the schedule to find out when you are going to get mails or when you're going to get your eligibility list and everything like that. Apart from that, if there's any quiz on, yeah, so as I've been mentioning about this through all the sessions, that you will have to mark every single day's attendance in order to qualify for the exam. You also will have to be registered at LetsUpgrade.in, this Python Essentials program, Jan 2021 batch 2, in order to qualify for the program. So these are the two major requirements. Assignments have been optional. Also, Kahoot quiz has been optional because it is something that is, it's a self-explanatory thing. If you want it, you can do it. If you don't want it, or if you don't find the time right now, you cannot do it. You can omit it. So we have provided that freedom to our learners. Apart from that, if there is any other question, please do let me know. When to submit assignments? Yeah, I did mention that it's not very compulsory, but if you have to submit assignments, you need to submit it within the next day, or like maybe even now it's open, I guess. There's always when to submit assignments. Yeah, exactly. So there's always this community which is open, which will keep notifying you about the assignments. There's also a schedule which you can look at where you will be keep notified about assignments. There has been no assignment for yesterday though, so I don't really know which assignment he is asking about, Sharma. Okay. So if there's anything else, we would love to answer that, or else we would just go. Okay. Three assignments only. Yes, correct. That's correct. Exam is objective or subjective? Sir, can you tell that? Is it objective or subjective?
It's objective.
Okay, so it is going to be an objective exam. Is there anything else that you would like to know? Because this is the last session. Obviously, all good things will have to come to an end, and we really appreciate you choosing us for being your learning partner. So if there is anything else, just bombard it with the just bombard the chat section with all your doubts because we will have to be leaving in a very short amount of time. Mm, Okay,
Somebody
so
somebody asking the lambda expression again and again, I think.
oh yeah, so actually yesterday's class we were discussing on lambda expression,
Okay, okay.
but
So
we were not able to answer the doubt yeah to yesterday.
so I think can we share? Can I share my screen again?
Yeah, sir, please.
Just stop share and share again.
There is no fees for the exam. This is a completely free course. This is the essentials course. There is a course fee for the upgraded version of this course. So maybe you can check out the letsupgrade.in website to find out more about that course.
Okay, guys. Okay, one second.
So they're
Mm,
asking you for
just
your LinkedIn profile.
okay. No, actually, if you can search, that's okay. But I cannot give here because that's you first connected to Let's Upgrade, then to come to me. Okay,
Okay.
Let's Upgrade team will connect you to me. You cannot
Yeah,
connect to me. Okay.
that will be a
Uh,
better way.
yeah, lambda function. Okay, I'm explaining the lambda function. It will take just one, no, no, 1 or 2 minutes. So, guys, what is the meaning of lambda? Lambda is a function which doesn't contain any body. By default, a function contains def and return statement. So lambda, lambd, lambda. So how we can write the lambda expression? Args, the argument one, like x1, x2, x3, whatever. Once we pass all the argument, use this one. This is what colon. Then write the return expression. What do you want to return? Consider I have two expression x and y, and here the written expression is x plus x1. Okay, so I am using here a equal to. Now pass a 10 and 20. I'm getting the result. How? This 10 and 20 passes to x and y, and this is a written result. Okay. So consider I want to convert temperature to Fahrenheit. So this is a temperature. I'm using TMP and write the expression of Fahrenheit. What is the expression? Temperature equal to 9. Sorry, temperature multiply 9 divided by 5 plus 32. That is that is the logic of converting degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, so when I give consider 37 degree, that is temperature of a healthy person. I'm getting 98.6. That is the temperature of healthy person in the Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is lambda expression. They arguments, and this is expression after the colon. Okay, I hope you're getting this sense. Okay, done for my side.
Okay, sir. So it's already 10:07. I think we are ready to conclude now. So thank you guys for being a part of this Essentials program, and we are so happy to have you here, and so happy to have you here learning with us, and we had a really great time as well. So I hope all of this was very beneficial to you, and I hope this course was also very resourceful to you. There are also a lot of other varieties of programs over the Let's Upgrade website, so please do check it out. Also keep connected to us over our social handles, and yeah, so wishing you all a very, very successful journey ahead. All right. Thank you. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye.